Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive plant store website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. Now let's go through the website. Okay, right now we are in the home section. You can see the hover effect on the uh, navbar elements, and you can see that we have an theme change button that is from light mode to dark mode. You can change the theme of the website. You can see, then we have an explore button, and you can see the hover effect, the movement of the icon as well, arrow icon, and you can see the hover effect on the social media icons, as well as how we have done this icons we placed at the right hand side. You can see how neatly we have aligned them. Then we can go to the next section. You can see this is the about section, and we have integrated the tick icons into here, as well as we have added the shop now button, and you can see the hover effect on them. And you can see as we move to the next section, we got an arrow button which will make us move back to the starting page. So it is available when you go downside. This is a JavaScript functionality that we have added to it. And then we can go to the product section, and you can see in the product section, whenever you hover onto it, the image is moving, which is the hover effect that we have added here. And you can see how perfectly and neatly we have aligned each and everything. Then we can go to the steps, and you can see the hover effect, and we can see that perfectly alignment as well as edge techniques, as well as we have done a shadow effect to this box icons. Then we can go to the next section is the FAQ section, and you can see we have added functionality here. So whenever you click on it, it will open up the remaining answer. You can see these are like questions that we are getting an answer whenever we click on it, and it will close when we are not using it. And then we can go to the contact me section. You can see how the placeholder values are changing when we're trying to enter the data, and the submit button, and you can see we have added the phone as well as email icons also. And you can see this is to subscribe to our newsletter, and then you can see the our address, contact, the social media icons, as well as we have added the rate cards. And you can see we can go back to the starting page by clicking on the up arrow button. And you can, as I've told you already, this is also available in the dark mode. You can see this. You can see it will retain the exact theme that has already been used by the user. So it is actually storing that theme value that okay, last time the user has used the dark theme, so even after refreshing the page you will get the dark theme only. That is the functionality that we have added using the JavaScript. And you can see the smooth transition effect. You can see perfectly getting the transition, no delays, and very much giving a very professional look to your website. And definitely this website has a very good chances of for you to get more knowledge on the front-end web development, as well as this website is responsive, so it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. Now let's go to the mobile version. So let me show you the mobile version of the website. You can see this is the mobile version of the website, and as you see we can go from each and every section is perfectly aligned based on the size of the section, and there are no such a certain uncertainty things. You can see perfectly aligned images and all, and we have the theme change button at the top, as well as we have the navbar. You can see quick navbar with a quick references, so that we can be able to move the particular sections easily, and very frequent and very responsive. The menu bar we have here, and you can see that we have an up arrow button. We can simply go back to the starting location, and this website is really responsive. That is, it is also available in tab version. You can see this is the tab version of the website, perfectly aligned, perfectly spaced each and every section. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and the website has the dark mode and light mode functionality to it, and it also retains the mode, the theme that we have already used by the user, and it has the responsive web design. Lot of functionalities added to this website. If you like this website, definitely try to visit our channel for full tutorial, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Now let's go through each and every slide. Right now we are in the home section. You can see hover effect on the navbar elements. and you can see an infinity loop of elements here which disclose what the person does, YouTuber, developer. You can see the hover effect on the buttons, and this infinite loop of names that are repeating here is done by using JavaScript library, that is typed JavaScript library. And you can see the sticky navbar as we move to the next section. This is the about section, and you can see the same here. Then you can see the contact me as well as download CV button. Then we can go to the my services. You can see the hover effect and how neatly we have aligned them using the box shadow effect as well, and as well as the icons also. Then we can go to the skills section. Here we have created the bar type representation of our skills. You can see 75%, 80% using CSS and HTML. Then we can go to the testimonial section. You can see here this is done by JavaScript library. Here also we are using JavaScript library for this testimonial section. You can see as it moves from one to the another. You can see like that way, and we can also move from one to another. And then we can go to the contact me section. You can see here we have added the icons as well as the form element and send me button. And you can see an up arrow button to move back to the starting page of the portfolio website. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, very beginner friendly, as well as it is very responsive portfolio website. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab view. Let me show you the mobile view of the website. You can see this is the mobile view of the website. How perfectly they have all been aligned, exactly based on the size of the uh, mobile device. You can see here, we can see the testimonial section, proper alignment as well as the button below it so that we can be able to move. And it is an infinity loop, it will continuously move, showcasing all the testimonials to us. And you can see the contact me section. And now let's see the navbar also. You can see this is the navbar. Very quick, very responsive navbar we have. Perfectly aligned. And you can see the hover effects and all. This website is entirely responsive, so it is also available in tab view. This is the tab version of the website. You can see perfectly aligned. You can see two testimonials are right now be showing. And then you can see the contact me section. You can go back to the starting page. So it is a very beginner friendly project and a very professional website, portfolio website. You can make it, it is very useful for you for your resume building, also for your recruiter for getting your first job. And I hope you like the content. I hope you like the portfolio that I've designed. If you want to create your own, the source code and the starter files are available in the description of this video. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Now there are a lot of tutorials available on my YouTube channel. You can see the full tutorials. You can get the source code available there. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And I would love to know your responses. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. A home page with an night mode and dark mode feature. So now let's go to the website. As you can see, right now we are in the navbar. You can see the underline effect below it. Now you can see the animation effect. Whenever you hover onto the main title, you can see art, a few moments, and you can see the underline effect for the navbar. And you can see on theme change button, that is moon button. You can change the theme of the portfolio head home page. You can see how neatly we have done it by changing from light mode to dark mode. And you can see the social media icons that we have added like YouTube, and you can see the hover effect, how neatly it is evolving, and we can see the properly alignment of the social media icons, as well as we have also aligned our uh, icons like or skill icons like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, JS as well. And you can see a smooth transition gradient text that we have done. And as you have already seen, we have also added the light dark mode to it. And you can see very cool effect. Uh, you can see the color changes from dark to white color. Now let's go. The home page is made out of, it is responsive. That is, it is also available in tab as well as in mobile version. Let me show you that. So now let's go to the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version of the responsive portfolio homepage. You can see we have the menu bar also here. There's no transition of menu bar, and we have the light and dark mode feature as well. And you can see the smooth transition effect, as well as for the social media icons. You can see perfectly aligned exactly at the center, giving a prominent look. And you can see that in the dark mode as well. You can see perfectly aligned exactly the center, neatly aligned, no deviation, no changes have been made. Very properly made website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Uh, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. The full tutorial will be added to the YouTube channel. Definitely, if you want for more amazing content, try to visit the channel. And I hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.